Hi kids, Mrs. Kimball here from Kids Cook Real Food, and today my mission for you is to have fun with your food. Now we talk about fun foods and growing foods and how fun foods are things you shouldn't eat very often because they're only fun in your mouth. But can healthy food be fun? Most absolutely. Let me give you some ideas. First of all, you can cut food like vegetables and cheese and meat into really fun shapes, and you can use cookie cutters and make them look fun. You can make faces on your plate with your vegetables and dip the nose into your hummus or into your homemade ranch dressing. You can freeze things, blend them up and freeze them into popsicles. You can do fruits and smoothies which can have vegetables in them, and all sorts of things can be popsicles. You can even freeze whole fruits like grapes or berries and put them on toothpicks or skewers and make kebabs. All of those things are really fun to look at and also really fun to eat, but they're still growing foods. They're still healthy for you. Sometimes you can make the whole meal really fun if your parents will let you. We've had meals where the whole meal was pancakes, but it wasn't just pancakes, it was vegetable pancakes and grain-based pancakes and dessert pancakes made of fruit. And we had all our food groups, they all just happened to be pancakes. We had another meal where we did the same thing with muffins. We had meat muffins and rice and vegetable muffins and another kind of vegetable muffin and a whole grain muffin. And we had all our food groups, but everything was in a muffin shape because that's fun. It's fun to do weird things with healthy food. My last suggestion for you is to eat somewhere different, right? Just taking your food outside and having a picnic on a blanket can make it really fun. And if your parents will let you, what if you could eat under the table one day, just to be goofy, right? Maybe you can turn off all the lights and put a candle in the middle of the table and make it a special, fun, healthy dinner. There are lots and lots of ways to have fun with healthy food, and I'm gonna challenge you kids this week to talk to your parents and figure out one thing that you can do to make healthy food fun. Just a little tip from Mrs. Kimball and the kids at Kids Cook Real Food.